Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Children, in our previous lecture, we have learned about the fraction. Then, students, our second term syllabus has completed. So, let us started revision of second term. Yes, students. Then, our second term syllabus. In our textbook, there are some lessons, means that addition by carrying over, then subtraction by borrowing. See that addition word problem, subtraction word problem, multiplication, division, that also word problem, then measurement of time, fraction, calendar, then last topic, handling data. That also over. But see that I hope all chapters, all topics are clear to you. Okay, students? Then see, again and again I have told to you that handling data. See these students here. We can see here Mary made a table giving information about the flowering plants in her garden. Look at this. Here is given rose flowers. How many are there? 1, see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See students, this book is different publication books. Okay. But see this based on our textbook. We are going to take that for practice. Hibiscus. There are how many flowers? 4. And here is the 8. See these students? And here, see, write this 8. Then champa flower are there 2. Then mogra 1, 2, 3, 4. Mogra's flowers are there 4. Look at this here given that information. Then we have make a table. See this chart. Handling data. See this, and what is mean by tally mass? That one picture give one vertical line. It is called tally mass. So here we can see that now complete the following table. Name of the plants. There are given 4 plants name. Means that we want 4 columns. Okay. And see this. Write their name of the plants, tally mass and number of the plants. We have first decide this. There are rose flowers. How many are there? 8. So, total number of plants, write there 8. And give tally mass. Draw tally mass 8 in this middle column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Understood this? Next will be hibiscus. Yes, there are 4 hibiscus plants. So, we are going to write. We can see students, total number of plants. There are 4. Then draw that tally mass 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next will be mogra. Look at this. There are 4 mogra's flowers. So, we can see here, I have write here 4 in this third column. Then draw 4 vertical line in front of mogra's column. Okay, look at this properly. So simple this topic, students. Then champa. There are champa's flowers 2. So, give tally mass 2. Like that way. We have completed this handling data. Okay, students, so simple, easy that. So, take this practice only. Then see here, next will be, see, last. See this, this is a different publication book. Students, you don't have this book, only see this. Rita asked her friend to name their favorite sweet dish. Same that problem is there. See this based on that textbook. See show their answer in a table using tally marks and count the tally marks to write the answer to the following questions. Okay students, already here given tally marks. Here name of the plant. See this jalebi. See this. Then laddus dish name. Gulab jamun other dishes. And given tally marks. We have count that tally marks. Jalebi favorite dish. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. See this. Then laddus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. See this gulab jamun 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 are there. Okay. Then other sweet dishes are there 3. Okay. Complete this chart and there is, see there are given 2 questions. See this. Here which is the most popular dish among the children? Here which sweet dish? Most popular dish. See among the children. Means which sweet dish favorite dish among the children? Most means that here is the, look at this, here is the biggest number 11 and see gulab jamun. Here we have write that gulab jamun. Okay. Then by how much is the number of children who like laddus more than the number who like jalebis? Now here laddus like, see this laddus like how many children? 7. And jalebis like 4. Means that 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Means that more than 3 children like laddus. See this? 3 children means laddus more than the number like, see this laddus. Okay students, like that way we have complete this handling data. Let's see. Next, look at the table below and answer the questions. Now here is given crops name. Means name of the crops in the field. Means some farmers in his farm which crop taking. See this. And number of farmers growing it. Okay, see this. Now wheat. There are how many farmers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there. Okay. Then jawar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then rice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See this. Peas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy only that. Peanut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then see sugarcane. 2 farmers. Means that these farmers has, see growing in his field wheat, jawar, rice, peas, peanut and sugarcane. See this. About how many crops does the table gives us some information. See this. Here is the, do this total. See this. About how many crops does the table give us some information. How many crops? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 crops. See this, right? 6 crops does the table gives us some information. See this, like that way we have to complete this answer. Okay. Now see this. Next will be how many farmers grow peanuts. See this. In this column peanut. There are 5 farmers. 5 farmers grow peanut. See this. Then let's see next question. Which crop is grown by the smallest number of farmers? See, Here is sugar cane. Sugar cane crop. Sugar cane crop is grown by the smallest. See this, complete the smallest number of farmers. Number of farmers. Okay. Then see last question. Which crop is grown by the largest number of farmers? Here is the jawar. What will come? Jawar. Jawar is the largest number of farmers. See, like that question also coming in your second term exam. So all of you do the practice this question. Okay, and see this handling data. See its last term. What did you to do entertain yourself on Sunday evening? The answer that the children gave to this question have been tabulated as shown below. Here form of entertainment, and here is given tally marks also, the number of children. See first of all how many tally marks are there in first column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See this right here 7. Watch TV 1, 2, 3. There are 3. Then took a walk in garden 4. See this, read a story books 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, first we are going to complete this chart. Then see, next will be question about how many children does the table inform us. See that how many children, count these all children first. See 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 8, see this 22. There are answer will be coming 22 children. See this 22 children. How many children took a walk in the garden? See this 4 children. Here is coming 4 children. Then last, what did the least number of children do? See this, watch TV. Least means kami. Watch TV. See this, like that way we have complete this handling data. Do the practice at home. Okay students. Let us see students, here is the given model question paper. Means that written examination second semester. See, here is the given model question paper. See, this is a different book students. You don't search. Okay. Now based on this part 2. Means that based on our textbook. And each question carries 1 mark. Solve all questions. See how many are there. See that question first. Write the number in numerals. Means 19. You know that 19. How it is? 19. Okay. Next we'll write the number in words. Here is the, read this number 24. Write this TWENTY. 24. Then see here is add. Given addition. See this 7 plus 3, 0. Then 1 is carried over. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Means that 67 plus 23 is equal to, it will become 90. Now subtract. Now look at this here 50 minus 16. Here at the ones column, here we have 0 and 6. Look at this here 0. See this 6. We cannot subtract from 0. So we have taking that 110 from that 5. Means 5 become 4. 0 become 10. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Then 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Means that 50 minus 16 is equal to, answer will be 34. It's easy students. Here is given model question paper. So See, look at these students here. See this. Next will be write the ages of the given figure. See this. Here is the number of ages. See this. Number of ages. 1. See this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is the 5. Okay. Next will be 6. Question 6. Sapna has rupees 48 with her. Anita gave rupees 51 to her. How many rupees Sapna has now? Now see total rupees. First of all, here is already Sapna has how many rupees? See this, right? Sapna has 48 rupees. And Anita gave, see this, Anita gave rupees 51. Means that here and asking, see, what to be find out here? Total rupees. Total rupees. Means that here which operation? Addition. ADDITION. Means that we are going to write here, see, 48. Means that here is rupees, then plus 51. Okay, 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. This also rupees and this also rupees. Means that, see, how many rupees Sapna has now? See this, 99 rupees. 99 rupees Sapna has now. Okay, like that way we are going to solve this addition word problem. See this. Now next will be, see this students, read this first, all of you read this question properly and what is given in that question, that also we have see properly and what to be find out. See this, that also very important, and which operation is there, that also very important. See, look at this. Mary has 36 marbles. She gave 25 marbles to Imran. See, how many marbles are left with Mary? Look at this. Mary has how many marbles? First, what is given? Mary has 36 marbles. And she gave to Imran. She gave to Imran 25 marbles. Means that what to be find out here? Left with her. Left with her. And which operation here? Subtraction. See? TRACTION. Which operation? Subtraction. So, here is the total numbers of marbles. See this? Number of marbles. See this, number of marbles. And she gave to Imran 25. Then search this. Solve this. 6 minus 5, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. Means that 11 marbles are left with Mary. Okay, like that way. Word problem also very important. Let's see next. Write the given number in expanded form. Here is given 319. Look at this. Expanded form means 300, 110 and 9. Like that way. Complete the pattern. See this, simple only. Arrow is given first, means here is like that way coming this. Okay, simple only. Now complete the pattern. 6, 16, 26, 36. Means 6 plus 10, 16. 16 plus 10, 26. 26 plus 10, 36. 36 plus 10, 46. Okay. Now next will be, see this here. A vessel can hold maximum 5 liter of water. How many time do we have to pour water using 1 liter bottle to fill the vessels completely? Now here is given this vessel. Okay. And in this vessel can hold how many liter water? 5 liters. See this 5 liters capacity of this vessel. And here is given 1 liter bottle. Then how many times do we have to pour water? See this, using 1 liter bottle. Means that here 5 times. What will come? 5 times. Okay. See this. Complete this, students. Next will be, see this. Draw a line where you will have to fold to show that the given figure is symmetrical. See this symmetrical line means exactly fold, and that two parts are equal parts, like that way. Okay, students. Next will be, see this addition. 570 plus 426. Look this, 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Then 5 plus 4 is equal to also 9. Then see here is addition. See 8 plus 2, 10. 1 is carried over. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Then here is 6. Okay. Complete this. Now let's see here. Next will be here, half kilogram sugar bags are kept for sale. If 1 kilogram sugar is to be purchased, how many bags should be taken? Now here is the taking 1 kilogram sugar. See this, and that half kilogram sugar bags are kept. Means that how many bags we have taking? 2 bags. How many? 2 bags. Okay. See this. Next will be, in a garden there are 230 gulmohar tree. See students here, in a garden how many gulmohar tree? 230. See this right here, 230. What is this? Gulmohar tree. Okay. Then see 375 champa tree. 375 champa. See, write this CHAMPA. Champa trees. Okay. Then see 160 Ashok tree. 160 Ashok trees. And see what is given there. The trees are given, and how many trees are there in the garden altogether? Altogether means which operation here? Addition. So first of all, see, find out which operation and do addition. See, here is the 5. See, 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 1 is carried over. Then 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Means that 765. What will coming? 765 total trees are there in the garden altogether. Okay. See, we are going to solve model question paper of second semester. Here is the subtraction. Now 417 minus 302. Now here is possible 7 minus 2. So first of all, 7 minus 2. Start from the ones column. Okay, here is 5. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Means it will become 115. And look at this second subtract. See, now here is the 6. And we have, see that one's column 6 and 7. See that 7 units cannot subtract from 6 units. So, we are going to take that 1/10. See this for this column. Here means 0. See this 0 means 10. So, take that 1/10 means here it will become 9 and 6 become 16. And see this here also make like that. See 16 minus 7. Do this 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Means that here will be 9. Now 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Then 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Means answer will be 409. It's correct. Yeah, not correct. See, check it this. Take this 297 plus answer 409. Do that both numbers addition. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. See, 1 is carried over. 9 plus 1, 10. And 1 is carried over. 4, 5, 6, 7. Means that 706 upside number is, see this, get. So, our calculation is correct. Okay. Now, let's see next. There are 168 students in a school. Out of them 92 girls. And how many boys are there? First of all, total students. See this total student. How many are there? 168. And see this girls. Total girls are there 92. And find out how many boys are there. Means here which operation? Subtraction. Which operation? Subtraction. Do this 168 minus 92. Means that here is the total student. See, total students. Here is the total girls. And find out boys. Okay. Now, see this 8 minus 2? 6. Now, tens column. See, we cannot subtract 9 tens from the 6 tens. So, we are going to take from 100. See, 100. Means here, 16 tens. And 1 become 0. So, see this 16 minus 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, then 16. See this 16 minus 9. 9 then 10. See this? It will become 7. And here is 0. Means that how many boys are there? Means that total boys, see this? Total boys 76. Like that way we are going to solve this. Now next will be, see this, multiply. Now see this 8 sevens or 7 eights. See 8 multiplied by 7 is equal to 56, and 56 has 2-digit number. So 6 write under the ones column and 5 is carried over to the tens column. Now next step, 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 35. Then plus 5 means that 40. Means here it will become 406. Now see this 9 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. See, this is a property of multiplication. We can see this. It's very important. We can any number take, then multiply by 0. Then always answer is coming 0. It's very important. Okay. Next will be students. See this. Cost of pen is ₹6. How much money is required to purchase 8 such pen? There are one pen. See this. One pen cost cost rupees 6. And see this, there are 8 pens are there. 8 pens means that, see, 8 multiplied by 6. 8 pens. Then this is a cost. Okay. Find out total rupees. 8 6 za or 6 8 za. Tell me students, table, very important. 48, correct, very good. Means that 8 pens cost rupees 48. Okay, understood? Now see this, here will become, see next will be multiply using lattice method. 47 multiplied by 5. Here is given already. See this means here 5 0 0, 5 4 za 20. Then see 5 7 za 35. Okay, here is we get the product. 200 plus 35 means that 235. Answer will become 235. This calculation is correct. Yeah, not correct. See this, arrange this vertically and solve. See this, 7 5 are 35. See this, 3 is carried over. Then 4 5 are 20 plus 3 is equal to, see this, means that anyway solve, then answer will be same. Okay students. Then see here, with the help of information given in the table below, write the answer of question 24 and 25. Now here laddu, jalebi, pedas and gulab jamun. See this, some sweets are given and that like it, that children's also. See this, there are laddus like 4 children. See this, jalebi is like 5 children's. Okay. See this, pedas like 3 children's and gulab jamun 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we are going to solve these questions. How many seats are maintained in the table? Now here is the 4 seats are maintained in table. How many children like gulab jamun? 7 children like gulab jamun. Okay students, it's very easy handling data. Then see here will become next 26 question, divide that 56 divided by 6. Here in the table of 6, see 56 is there. Tell me students, say 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are, see 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 56, 48, sorry, 6 8s are 48. Then 6 9s are, here write 54. Means that here do not have 56 in that table. So 6 9s are 54. Means here see dividend 56, divisor 6, quotient 9 and remainder is 2. Like that way solve this. Let's see student, here question number 28. Write the time shown in the clock. See here one clock, then in that clock shown time. Let's see students, and you know that short hand is called hours hand and long hand is called minute hand. So here look at this, short hand means our hand is between 3 and 4 and that minute hand on 4, means that See, time is 20 minutes past 3. What is the time? 20 minutes past 3. See again here, that short hand is called hours hand and long hand is called minutes hand. Okay. Then see, here short hand is between 3 and 4 and long hand at the 4. Means that, see this, 20 minutes past 3. Okay. Understood this question? Now let's see remaining that question number 27. Observe the calendar. How many Saturdays are in the month of April? Okay. See this. Here we can see. Here see this given 2017 April. 2017 April calendar is there. Then look at this: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. And given also, look this here, students, here see Saturday. On Saturday, which dates? Means that how many Saturday in April 2017? Look at this, there are how many Saturday? See this, that Saturday. Okay, means see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are how many Saturdays? 5 Saturdays. We have written here answer. You also complete this. Okay, understood this question? See this. Next will be, see this, next. Color half part of the figure. Let us see here. Already here given two figures. Then see, you know that half parts means what? What is mean by half? When something is divided into two equal parts, it is called half. So, see this here already colored. Shaded part is called half and unshaded part is called also half. Means that two halves make one whole. Means that two half make one whole. Okay, color half part of the figure. Means that here we can see here is that part, means that colored half part, shaded this half part colored here. Okay, this part I have already colored. Okay, look the students here, see this. And next question, observe this. See, observe the example of division. Write the proper number in the given boxes. Here we can see students here 61 divided by 3. Okay, means that given solving also, you only fill in the which is dividend, which is divisor and which is quotient, which is remainder. Here first of all 61 is dividend and see 3 is divisor and you get 12. Answer is called quotient and remainder is, see, last remaining the 1. It is called remainder. Like that way you have complete this model question paper, see, based on textbook. Okay, only that we are going to take this different publication book. So all of you write this model question paper in your notebook and solve properly. Thank you, student.